This quick video will be to start our installation of our services that we're going to use for our proxy servers. I say proxy servers with an S because we're going to have more than one proxy server. In the event you go to find those servers, you're going to go to Package Manager. Currently, we don't have any packages installed. We're looking for Squid and Squid proxies. So we'll look at Squid through the search term on available packages, search Light Squid, Squid, and SquidGuard. We're really concerned with Squid and SquidGuard, but please look up the rest as they can be SquidGuard or Light Squid because it can sometimes be beneficial. However, Light Squid does require Squid itself. So if you want to start with Squid, I'm going to show you what happens. It's going to go through and check to make sure the system is updated. And in our particular instance, it will not work because our current package repository says it has a new PHP version to install. PFSense should be upgraded before installing a new package. So it failed, and that's okay because we understand our current version 2.4.2 needs to upgrade 2.4.4. So 0.2 to 0.4 dash or underscore 2. So it's the revision 2 to 2.4.2. And it's either this button for upgrade, or we can go to, I think it's diagnostics. Status. Well, I thought there was another way to update system. Oh, it's off system. System update, and we are set to system update and update settings. You can set it to look at the branch themselves. If you look at the latest development snaptops, it's a developmental. It's kind of like beta. So maybe we want to use this, maybe we don't. But for most production networks, you won't look at that. You'll look at the stable environments. And then you can look at the dashboard auto update check. That's where we saw our set here. This is our dashboard. Really cool feature about the dashboard is for the most part, when you log into PFSense, this is what you see. You can add little pieces to it. So if we want to look at interfaces, the network time protocol, the drive smart status, traffic graphs, logs, installed packages, balancer status, if we use that, thermal sensors, VPNs, Wacom LANs, captive portal, which we'll do later. We'll talk about captive portal later. To add a picture, if we wanted to add a unique picture to our set here, we can choose a file to add it as a widget. These are all these little guys that you can move around. They're called widgets. So before we come back, I'll add a picture to it. So we'll see that widget. We'll save our dashboard status or configuration here. And we can always move these things around when the pointer changes to that target, I guess you could call it, the up, down, left, right pointer change. But our system needs to update. And the last time it fetched that was February 11th. We can refresh that if we wanted to as well. It'll check its status, see if any updates are available. You can also go to your client, which we're on our client. We'll full screen this. And if you have it set up, oops, I have not installed PuTTY. Well, you could SSH to it, or you can come over here, and this is what we'd basically see if we PuTTy'd to it anyways, is we'd come over and we'd look at, let me release my pointer again, we'd look at either reboot, halt, and shell. So we can run update shells through FreeBSD Linux commands, or we can do 13 update from console. It's really up to you how you choose to do it. But when we come back, we will have installed our update, and we will go to System, Package Manager, and we will have installed those two squids. So I like to install Squid first and then SquidGuard. So the actions will be Squid, SquidGuard install after updating. So when we come back, that's what we'll have done.